Okay, good afternoon. So, I hope you are well amid this pandemic. So, I find it vital to give you a short review on how to get your molecular weights and your molecular masses. Your molecular weight and your molecular mass is just the same. Parehas lang yon, no? And another is to give you a review on how to convert your moles to grams and your grams to mole. Why is that? Kasi usually pag nagsosolve tayo ng molalities, and mole fractions, minsan, di ba, we have to convert something from gram to mole and mole to gram, so on and so forth. And siguro, before your midterms exam, I'll give a review on dimensional analysis, how we do your conversion of units, no? Short review lang. Kasi sometimes you have to convert liters to milliliters, grams to liters, so on and so forth. So, I'll start with giving you a review on how to get your molecular weights or your molecular mass. So, in the right side of the screen, you have your periodic table here. You need a periodic table to get the molecular weight or the molecular mass of a compound. So, this periodic table, it's already posted in Canvas. So, you can get a copy of that by accessing your Canvas accounts. Okay, so let's start. So, see, for example, you were asked to get the molecular weight of your sodium chloride. Okay, so the first step is number 1, you have to enumerate the elements present in the compound. Number 2, count the number of atoms. And number 3, multiply with their respective atomic weights. And number 4, you get the total. So these are the 4 easy steps in getting your molecular weight or your molecular mass. Una, enumerate mo ng elements. Second, you count the number of atoms. Pagkatapos, paki-multiply dun sa ating atomic weight. Yung atomic weight, saan mo ito makikita? Dito sa ating periodic table. And then, you get the total. Okay, let's start. So, sodium chloride, what are the elements present in this compound? So, the elements present in this compound, we should enumerate first. And that is sodium and chlorine. Very easy, di ba? Step 1. Di ba? Ayan. Very easy. The first step is very easy. Next, count the number of atoms. The number of atoms, it is the subscript. So, dito wala kang nakikitang subscript, di ba? So, that means the number of atoms is equal to 1. Next, multiply with their respective atomic weights. Hanapin mo si sodium. Ito si sodium. Ayan. So, here, what's the atomic weight? It's 22.99. Okay? Next, si chlorine, hanapin natin. Group number 7. Ayan. 35.45. So, times 35.45. So, kapag nagle-lesson tayo, make sure na your calculators are within your reach para anytime na you need to compute for something, ma-compute nyo agad. So, the total, the last step is get the total. So, 1 times 22.99 is equal to 22.99. 1 times 35.45 is equal to 35.45. So, you add that, get the sum. The sum is 58.44. Now, what is the unit of your molecular weight or your molecular mass? The unit is gram per mole. So, the molecular mass of sodium chloride is 58.44 grams per mole. Very easy. Very easy. Just keep in mind the steps, no? What's step 1? Enumerate the elements. Step 2, count the number of atoms. Step 3, multiply with their respective atomic weights. And where do you get the respective atomic weights? You get them at your periodic tables. And then you get the total of those values. Next, let's have another example. Let's get the molecular weight of your sulfuric acid. Ayan. Okay. First step, enumerate the elements. So, what are the elements present in this compound? You have hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Very easy. What's the next step? Count the number of atoms. So, let's count the number of atoms. O, may subscript si H. So, ibig sabihin, ilan ang atoms ng H, ni hydrogen? It's 2. Si sulfur, walang subscript. So, ibig sabihin, ang number of atoms niya is 1. Si oxygen may subscript. Ang subscript niya ay 4. So, ibig sabihin, the number of oxygen atoms is 4 in this compound. Very easy. Step 3, multiply with their atomic weights. By the way, when you get your atomic weight sa periodic table, you get at least 2 decimal places. Okay na yun, no? So, let's multiply with their atomic weight. Si hydrogen, the atomic weight is 1.008. Pero sabi ko nga, ang kinukuha natin is 2 decimal places. So, this is 1.01. So, dahil si 0, ang katabi niya ay si 8, no? Magra-round up na. So, 1.01. Si sulfur, ayan, multiply natin sa atomic weight ni sulfur, that is 32.06. Si oxygen, it's 15.99. So, oxygen, if you use 16.00, no, it's okay. Sobrang negligible na nung difference nun. Okay, get the total of this one first, no? So, 1.01 times 2, 2.02, and this is equal to 32.06. And 15.99 times 4, that is equal to 63.96. Get the sum of this to get the molecular mass of the compound. 2.02 plus 32.06 plus 63.96, that is equal to what? 98.04. 98.04, sorry. 98.04. What's the unit? Grams per mole. Very easy. Very easy. So this is, again, how you get your molecular weights and how you get your molecular mass. Now, okay, let me refresh you how to convert from gram to mole and mole to grams. So, conversion of moles. So, say for example, we have 12.3 grams of your sulfuric acid. And you were asked to convert this to mole. Ayan. So, you were asked to convert this to mole. How do you do it? Okay, to make things easier for you, ibibigay ko na yung conversion factor. There is only one conversion factor when you convert from grams to mole or mole to grams. Isa lang. So, the conversion factor that you need to use is 1 mole of any compound is equal to its molecular weight in grams. Okay? 1 mole of any compound is equal to its molecular weight in grams. So, in this case, we are asked to convert the grams of sulfuric acid to mole. To mole of sulfuric acid. Ayan. Ayan. How do you do that? Write the conversion factor first. So, 1 mole, what compound are we talking about? We are talking about sulfuric acid. So, 1 mole of any compound, in this case, it's sulfuric acid. It is equal to what? Kinompute na ba natin yung molecular weight nito kanina? Yes, we did. We did get the molecular mass of sulfuric acid and it is 98.04 grams per mole. But in this case, the molecular weight is only expressed in grams. So, 98.04 grams. So, this is the conversion factor. If you have the conversion factor, you can now convert anytime, no? Anytime. Okay. So, if this is our conversion factor, let's convert now. Start with the given. Ano yung binigay na value sa'yo sa problem? It is 12.3 grams. So, dito siya. 12.3 grams of sulfuric acid. Sa loob ng parenthesis, yung iyong conversion factor. Asan yung conversion factor mo? Ito yung conversion factor mo. Pero, ang tanong is, paano mo malalaman kung si mole ba ay nasa baba at si grams ba ay nasa baba? O siya ba ay nasa taas o nasa baba? The secret is, kung ano yung unit dito, yun yung nasa baba. So, si grams, ang value niya is 98.04. Siya yung nasa baba. So, bakit kailangan ilagay sa baba si grams? Ayan, ayusin ko lang yung pagkasulat. Bakit kailangan ilagay? Para mag-cancel yung ating units. So, sa taas, 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Okay na. Type mo na to sa calculator mo. 12.3 times 1 divided by 98.04. Ayan. What's the answer? The answer is 0.125. Ano na ang unit? Kung sino yung nasa taas, siya yung unit. 0.125 mole H2SO4 of sulfuric acid. So, this is the answer already. Okay, did you get what was asked from you? Yes, you were asked to convert grams to mole and now you have the mole. Very easy, diba? Let's have another example. Let's say you have 0.45 grams of sodium chloride. And you were asked to convert this to mole. So the first step again is to write your conversion factor. So your conversion factor is 1 mole of any compound. In this case, ano na yung compound natin? It's already sodium chloride. It is equal to its molecular weight in grams. Nakuha na ba natin yung molecular weight ni sodium chloride kanina? Did we compute for it already? Yes, we did. Go back to that. So this is the molecular weight of your sodium chloride. Ayan. So it's 58.44. Very easy. Okay, you can now start solving. So where do you start? You start with the given. Ano yung binigay sa'yo na value? This is the value given to you. So you start there, 0.456 grams of sodium chloride. Ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis? Yung iyong conversion factor. Again, paano mo malalaman kung sino yung nasa baba at sino yung nasa taas? All you have to do is look at the unit here. Kung sino yung nandito, siya din yung nasa baba. So in this case, gram din yung nasa baba para mag-cancel sila. So ano yung value ni gram? It's 58.44. So sa taas, 1 mole of sodium chloride. So what's the answer? So 0.456 times 1 divided by 58.44. That's 7.80. 7.80 times 10 raised to negative 3. What's now the unit? Yung naiwan. Mole of sodium chloride. Ayan. Very easy. So what if this time around, binaliktad? You were asked to convert 42.1 mole of ammonia, ayan, ammonia, to gram. Can you still use the same conversion factor? Yes! The conversion is the same. 1 mole of any substance is equal to its molecular weight in grams. So in this case, sino na yung ating compound? Si ammonia na. So 1 mole of ammonia equal sa, kunin mo muna yung molecular weight ni ammonia. And what are the steps in getting the molecular weight again? Step 1, enumerate the elements. So ano yung element sa compound na ito? It's nitrogen and hydrogen. Next, count the number of atoms. Walang subscript si nitrogen, so ibig sabihin 1 lang. Si hydrogen, ilan ang atoms ni hydrogen? 3. Bakit? Kasi 3 po yung subscript natin. Next step, multiply with their atomic weight. So tingnan na sa periodic table, si nitrogen ay 14.00 ang atomic weight. Si hydrogen, 1.00. It's not 1.00, sorry. It's 1.01. Ayan. Tapos, ano ang next step natin? Get the total. So, 1 times 14.00 is 14.00. 3 times 1.01, it's 3.03. Get the total, get the sum, 17.03. What's the unit? Gram per mole. Very easy, di ba? Now, you can write the conversion factor for 1 mole of ammonia. So, the conversion factor is 1 mole of ammonia is equal to its molecular weight or molecular mass in gram. So, this is 17.03 grams. Can you convert now? Yes, you can now. So, again, you start with the given. So, ano yung given sa atin sa problem? Ito po, 42.1 mole. 42.1 mole of ammonia. Sa loob ng parenthesis, yung ating conversion factor. Sino ang nasa baba at sino ang nasa taas? Si mole ang nasa baba. Bakit po? Kasi, yun yung unit dito. Para mag-cancel sila. Sa taas, 17.03 grams. So, input na yan sa calcu, 42.1 times 17.03. Ayan, ang laki ng moles niya, no? This is 716.96 mole of ammonia. Ayan. Do not be afraid of big numbers, no? For as long as you did the right thing, you did the right way to solve it, kung malaki siya, malaki talaga yung value niya. Yun na talaga yun. Okay, so that ends our tutorial. No, this is just a review of your Gen Chem 1. After this, there are sample problems, no? Please watch them. I'll be explaining one by one paano natin sinosolve isa-isa yung sample problem sa ating solutions. Okay, that's it. Okay, see you.